YouTube channel. Today for our solar system preview, we're doing Mercury! Yay! My favorite planet of the solar system. Very, very mysterious and cool. So I know there's a very few slides, but don't worry, I'll explain. So let's start. Starting off, this is Mercury right here. I know it looks kind of like the moon, but don't get fooled. It's Mercury, guys. Moon looks kind of similar, but we'll be talking about that later after this video, maybe later. So let's start. Thanks. Okay. Number 1, the Mercury's craters. This is a very big thing. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and sometimes also known as the smallest planet. But we fully do not know that yet. Mercury is a small planet that's very, very hot. Does that mean there's no ice? Well, you're wrong. But you might be thinking, oh my God, Mercury is so close to the sun. How can it have ice? And, well, that's what I'm going to show you guys today. Well, ice isn't just cold. It can be hot, but it depends on the temperature and what the ice is made of. So we're going to talk about the ice that is on Mercury. And surprisingly, there's ice on Mercury. So Mercury, this is compared to the moon too, so I don't think this is just Mercury. The same thing happens on the moon, but when the sun is here and it keeps, pretend there's a big kid and a small kid. One is really heavy, one is really light. And then you guys hold each other's hand and you start spinning and spinning. The big kid makes smaller circles and the other kid orbits that guy faster, which means this bigger kid is tugging on you faster. So that's one, but for that's an example. Like when you do that, pretend the big kid's the sun and then the small kid's Mercury, it goes faster and faster because the big kid is tugging on you faster and faster. And then pretend a ball comes and you keep tugging and then the guy tugs you onto the ball. That's a crater. That's an asteroid that hits you faster. It's twice as fast because you're getting tugged faster. The asteroid is hitting you harder because you're getting tugged. And that makes really deep craters, like real deep, not like just deep, but really down, like probably 200 kilometers or so. If it's small enough and small and compact, it could go straight into the Mercury planet. And while it does that, the under of the crater doesn't see light. It doesn't see heat. It doesn't see anything. Space is really cold, so it's a good definition. And the asteroids bring minerals like water, ice, and other things, which creates into water ice, like drippity ice inside the craters. And maybe it can be edible. We can use it for future civilization, and that is very shocking. Here's a picture right here, right there. This picture has like these white things right over there and here. Oh, sorry. These white things, those are water ice. Let me turn this on. Ugh, why does this keep happening? This is water ice right there. And we might be thinking that water ice can be actual on the planet. Now this is Mercury's rotation system. Mercury is a very complex rotation system, very much different than all the other planets. Mercury spins slowly on its axis, but only takes 59 days for 1 year. That's crazy, guys. 59 days, 1 year, and even crazier, 1 day, 15 hours, 31 seconds. Oh my God, that's going to be flying so fast. I'm like, if I want to play, I'm like, to my friend, I'm like, dude, I can only play after 6 days, so I'll see you later. And it's going to be really crazy if you actually lived on Mercury. And using the same example I showed in the last slide, it spins faster because it tugs on it faster right here. I don't know why this keeps happening. Right here. This is Mercury, guys. This one. I spotlighted it so you guys can see. And on Mercury, you see that you see this aurora, like this thing, this corona. This is the corona. This is the atmosphere of the sun. this thing, like, one sec, let me draw it. This is the atmosphere of the sun. Mercury is like in the atmosphere, and if it's in the atmosphere, then just imagine how like strong it would be. If it was really that strong, then oh my god, I would be like flying off. But the thing, if it like lost the orbit from here like this, and then the sun lost the orbit, like it exploded, the Mercury would be flown out into space, like literally. It'd be like da na na na, and then the guy just lets you go like that. It's like a slingshot, but it's a round slingshot. So yeah, that is Mercury's rotation. And I know this video is going very fast, but I am trying to explain a lot so you guys can understand. Let me just clean that up. Okay. Now that's Mercury, guys. Right here. And now the last one, Mercury's minerals. The best slide out of all of them. You guys are going to freak out when you actually figure out what Mercury is made of. Even though Mercury is very up close to the sun, doesn't mean it's made up of some minerals. Mercury is made up of 69% nickel and iron. It has a metallic core ready for 500 kilometers, guys. Right here, let me put the spotlight on. Right here is its metallic core. This metallic core is made up of mostly iron and some nickel, like 29% nickel. And then you see this one? This one is like right here, this mantle. That is made up of nickel and is rocky core. And up here is the surface. Surface is made up of iron and nickel, both 69%. So the core goes about to 500 kilometers. This is the solid inner core, this is the molten outer core, and this is the crust mantle. So yeah, that is Mercury's minerals. And actually, that's it for our video today. And don't forget to subscribe to this video, give a huge thumbs up, comment down below, and share it with others. Yeah, see you for our next video. Bye.